it's Coach Karen joining you again from my living room. I want to encourage you during this time to stay active. Okay, that means mentally and that also means physically. It's really tempting in times like this to kind of hunker down, watch video games, play video games, watch movies, be on YouTube, right? Because that's the easy thing to do. But the problem with that is that building patterns like that eventually will catch up to us, and you'll realize that all you want to do is stay still. Okay, so you need to use energy to get energy, which sounds kind of funny, but I was thinking about that today on my run. So I just ran 4 miles. Before I ran the 4 miles, I didn't want to do anything. Okay, I wanted to sit, play Scrabble, read my book, maybe drink some coffee, curl up in my blanket, hang out with my dogs, but I didn't want to move. I ran 4 miles, I came back feeling like I could do anything. Okay, so you don't have to run 4 miles to get that, but you do have to exercise your body. Okay, try to set aside some time every single day to just do a little bit of movement. Maybe that's 20 burpees, maybe that's one of these lessons. Okay, but do something. That's how you stay healthy. Don't give in to wanting to stay still, because once you give into it, it'll be even harder to get moving again. Okay, besides, I wanted to try out my new gi. So we're gonna start with something that is a combo exercise. So it's 2 exercises that you do together, okay? But we're gonna work those exercises up in reps and then back down in reps. It's called ascending and descending ladder. It's a great way to work out because you're adding reps each time as you go up the ladder, and just when you feel like it's too tough, you start stepping back down the ladder, and each one gets a little bit easier until you're back to the beginning, but you're working the whole time. Okay, if you need to take breaks in between, take breaks in between. If you step up that ladder and you go all the way to 10 reps and then back down, great. If you go to 5 reps, also great, right? Challenge yourself at the level that you're at. So we're gonna start with 1 rep of each exercise, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, until it gets tricky for you, right? Then take a break, and however far you got, you just go back down. So if you go to 5 reps, then now you go down to 4 reps, 3 reps, 2 reps, 1 rep. Okay, so I'm gonna model this for you, and then I'm gonna have you stop the video, do it on your own, okay, and then join me back for the second warm-up. All right, so here we go. We're working our legs. Hopefully I can do that with my run that I just did. And we're gonna do that by doing a backward lunge followed by a hack squat. Okay, these are really good for your knees. So what I do is I start with both my feet together. I step backwards, lunge 1, and the other side, that only counts as 1. Then I squat so that my butt is going toward my heels and back up. That was 1 rep. I'm gonna do it from the side too so that you can see that. Now I'm gonna go to 2 reps. So 1, 2, 2, and then here's the tricky part. Hack squat, your butt goes toward your heels, 1 and up, and 2 and up. Now I go to 3 reps. Okay, once the reps get challenging, it'll probably start happening around 5 or 6. Go until you feel like you've done enough, then work your way back down in reps. Okay, so we just did 1, 2, right? You're gonna keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then if that's where you're done, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ascending and descending ladder. Give it a try. You're working your glutes, you're working your quads, you're working your hamstrings. Okay, it's a great exercise, but it's also really excellent for your knees. So give that one a try, and then join me back here for the second exercise.